कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया है कि हम बना रहे हैं ये इजी, एक्सट्रीमली डिलिशियस एंड स्क्रम्शियस डिज़र्ट। ऐसी डिज़र्ट जो बच्चों बड़ों सबको पसंद आएगी। और आपको पता है हंसी की बात क्या है, ये इतनी आसान है बनानी, लेकिन मज़ा इसका ऐसे आता है जैसे आपको किसी 5 स्टार होटल के डिज़र्ट बार में या कैफ़े में आएगा डिज़र्ट का। अच्छा, अब the whole game is in the assembling of the ingredients. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि most of the ingredients are pre-prepared, so they are store bought. मेरे पास यहाँ पे है pound cake. आप इसको मडेरा केक भी कह सकते हैं, pound cake. In simple words, this is tea cake, basic sponge cake. Okay, I have a variety of chocolate biscuits, chocolate cookies. I've got wafer bites today. मैंने ये डिज़र्ट, सेम डिज़र्ट ओरियो कुकीज़ के साथ भी बनाई है, वेयर आई हैव यूज्ड क्रश्ड ओरियो कुकीज़, और मैं आपको वो भी बताऊंगी। रेड आते हैं, रेड वेलवेट ओरियो कुकीज़, और रेड और ब्राउन के साथ बनाई है, बट टुडे आई गॉट वेफर बाइट्स। और मेरे पास यहाँ पे वनीला बीन आइसक्रीम है 1 liter. I've got coffee and I will just bring hot water from my kettle, and here you can see I've got half a cup of hot water, to which I am going to add a good 2 tablespoons heaped of coffee. Okay. Yes, you must be wondering. In goes 1 and 2 tablespoons of coffee. Give it a good stir. जी, आप वंडर कर रहे होंगे कि ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिटर कॉफ़ी है, बट वेट फॉर द असेंबली टू बिगिन. Assembling. Okay, let the coffee get dissolved properly, and I'm just reminded, here is condensed milk. Any variety of condensed milk. Please remember, I am not talking about evaporated milk. I am talking about condensed milk. Okay, I've got it in a jam jar right now, so please don't be misled by that. अच्छा, अब मैं बना रही हूँ. I'm using these plastic containers today. Usually I serve them very nicely, but these are to be taken to my party venue because I'm going to have this party in the park. So I'm assembling them in a plastic container. First of all, we open and slice the tea cake to fit our dish. Okay, have I got the paper off? Yep, I do. And we remove the brown paper, and now we are going to slice the cake neither too thinly nor too thickly, just about 3/4 of a centimeter. Okay. Now I'm going to line both these dishes with the cake. The arrangement doesn't actually matter. You can arrange it in any way you want to. You can even slice them up in smaller pieces, make squares out of them. It's completely up to you. Alright, maybe I'll take a little bit from here and fix it here. Okay, done. Now I'm going to एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर हमारी दोनों डिशेस केक से लाइंड हैं और अब बारी आती है फॉर द इंटरेस्टिंग बिट. सो आई हैव गॉट दिस रियली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हाफ अ कप ऑफ हॉट कॉफी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू drizzle this over the cake slices. You don't have to be too cautious, or you don't have to even measure an exact amount of liquid. Just make sure that each slice is drenched properly. अच्छी तरीके से soak कर ले वो कॉफी को. Okay, this should be good enough for the first layer. Now, while this is taking a couple of seconds to soak up, I am going to get the pound cake ready for the second layer. Now for the second layer, I'm slicing my second pound cake. Okay. Now, the second layer of cake sits on top of the first layer, which is already now drenched in coffee. Soaked up the coffee. Okay. Alright, this should be good enough. We don't need to cover it wall to wall. This will soak up the remaining coffee. And now we are going to add vanilla ice cream, but as you know that this is a very bitter, thick concentrated coffee, so we need to add sweetener. So we are now going to add condensed milk. Just lightly drizzle condensed milk over the coffee soaked slices. And that's it, and you repeat the same with this dish. This is all the sweet I want. Now, over this हम spread करेंगे अपनी vanilla ice cream. Ideally, it should be a little more melted, so you can let it stand for another short while ताकि ये और spreadable consistency में आ जाए. Okay, so I waited for 5 to 10 minutes और जब आइसक्रीम और स्प्रेडेबल हो गई थी तो मैंने आइसक्रीम को अच्छी तरीके से स्प्रेड कर दिया है और देखिए बिल्कुल स्मूथ हो गई है और लेवल हो गई है. ओके, अब कुछ केक के पीसेस अगर इफ दे आर poking out through the layer of ice cream, if they are peeping through, it's perfectly alright. बिल्कुल सही लग रहा है, इसको as it is रहने दीजिए. अब हम आते हैं अपने कलरफुल डेकोरेशन के लिए, डेकोरेशन की तरफ. अच्छा, मैं इस तरह हॉरिजॉन्टली रख रही हूँ ताकि मुझे नज़र आए कि मैं किस तरह डेकोरेट कर रही हूँ. अब सबसे पहले, अच्छा मैंने ये खोल लिया है, Oreo wafer bites. You can take Oreo cookies or any other chocolate cookies and you can crush them. You can buy red cookies, chocolate, dark chocolate cookies, completely up to you. You can also use cereal. You can also use Kellogg's cereal. Something crunchy. Okay. This is the second packet going in. Alright, now let's move this out of the way. And now I am going to first take a few Oreo bites and I'm going to line them at the bottom of the dish from where I am standing, the base, sort of making like the soil. I'm trying to create the colors of a flower bed, so the soil and the green stalks and the flowers, of course it's going to be very abstract, but just to create an effect. Okay, so I've got this here and I think we need a few more in the other dish. Here goes. Okay, just getting this. Now over here I have green food color and red food color. I'm not too big on using food colors, but just that teeny weeny bit for decoration purposes. Sometimes I think it's okay. So here goes a little bit of green food color and now we have a deep red. I will quickly give my counter a clean so that this looks neat and tidy. Okay, and we'll move these colors out of the way. Alright, here we go. And now, taking our two paint pots, first taking the green one, just dip a fork in it and just sprinkle a little green above the layer of brown. See how you go? Okay, that's a big blob. Okay. Alright, and now the same here. The idea is just to add a little bit of color, and now just take these in an elongated direction just to create the effect of stalks, plant stalks, stems. Okay, alright, just an effect, that's the whole point. And now the same thing with the red on top. Do you see what I'm doing? Just sprinkling red on top. Same here. Okay, maybe we can go a little more liberally, sprinkle a little more of the red color, of the red paint, just to create the effect of flowers. A few large flowers and a few small ones. I don't know why this reminds me of doing toothbrush painting at school when we were in primary school. Okay, that's it. We don't have to measure and we don't have to be very exact. And just run your fork through a couple of red blobs. Okay, so just go in circular motion just to create the effect of flowers, red poppy flowers. Alright, I think we're about done here. And now I'm going to turn, I'll just wipe the edges. Don't shake it too quickly so that the pattern that we've created doesn't get shaken. Okay, now look at this. And look at this, 2 flower beds. And our coffee dessert, coffee cookie crumble, is ready. All you have to do now is very carefully cover it with a lid or cling wrap if you are using a proper glass dish, and refrigerate it, or ideally freeze it for 2 hours. I'm leaving this for overnight, so I'm refrigerating it. And it's ready to serve. Bon appetit! Okay, here's a look at the finished product. So this is the coffee cookie crumble, ready with the layer of sponge cake at the bottom, drenched in coffee, और उसके ऊपर वनीला बीन आइसक्रीम है, और उसके ऊपर हमने ट्राई किया है कि फ्लावर बेड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट करें. तो the soil and the flower stalks, the stems, and basically the flowers at the top, chilled and ready to serve. Enjoy. जी, तो ये देखिए दही बड़े और डिज़र्ट रेडी है टू पैक इनटू द कार. ये डिज़र्ट्स जो हमने बनाई थी, मैंने इनको क्लिंग रैप भी कर दिया है टू फर्दर सिक्योर देम व्हाइल आई एम मूविंग देम and packing them, and it's easier to transport it when it's cling wrapped. And ये हमारे दही बड़े, just let me stack these. ये देखिए हमारे दही बड़े with the badas at the bottom, then a layer of garlicky yogurt, then the dahi bundi with kadi patta, again layer of yogurt followed by dahi bundi and chaat masala on top. ठीक है? ओके, अब मैं बिरयानी चेक करती हूँ. पहले तो चूल्हे को बंद कर दूँगी. इसको ज़रा 1 मिनट के लिए इसकी स्टीम ट्रैप्ड रहने देते हैं. मैं आपको खोल के दिखाती हूँ. ओके, बट इन अनदर 5 minutes.